In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. By the end, you'll have your Trello boards connected to Notion so you can manage tasks and projects from one place with less context switching. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and signing in to the workspace you want to connect. It's important to use the exact workspace where you plan to reference Trello, so if you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, head to Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Settings or Settings and Members, and you can usually find it by clicking your avatar or the workspace name in the left sidebar. Inside Settings, look for the Connections section. This is where Notion centralizes all external apps you can link, and it's the hub you'll return to later if you ever need to manage or remove a connection. In the Connections area, click See All. This opens the full catalog of available integrations. Scroll down until you find Trello. If you prefer, you can use the search bar at the top of the directory to type Trello and jump right to it. When you see Trello, click it, then choose Connect. A new window or tab will appear prompting you to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to sign into your Trello account if you aren't already. Select the correct Trello account and, if prompted, choose the Trello workspace you want Notion to access. Review the permissions so you understand what information will be shared, then confirm to allow access. This step is what establishes the secure link between the two services. After approval, you'll be brought back to Notion, and you should see Trello listed under your connected apps in the Connections section. That confirms the integration is active. From here, you can manage the connection, including disconnecting it later if needed. If Trello doesn't appear right away, refresh Notion and try again. Make sure you have the necessary permissions in both Notion and Trello, and check with your workspace admin if approvals are required. Browser extensions or strict privacy settings can sometimes interfere with pop-ups, so temporarily allowing them can help during authorization. Once connected, you can start using Trello content inside Notion more smoothly, such as pasting Trello links for richer previews or referencing boards alongside your Notion documents and databases. And that's it. Open Notion, go to Settings, open Connections, click See All, find Trello, hit Connect, and follow the prompts to finish the setup.